Ice cream lover, Steve Christensen's my name, the ice cream bloke, self-appointed headmaster of this fabulous facility that we call Scoop School. Nice to have you with us. Look, thank you very much to the episode sponsor, this video, iRice & Co. You've got Rod Oranger up here. You've got Ed that's basically coming up to try and be Rod. Rod, I don't know anyway, they're right up there together. They know everything about the flavor industry, whether it's putting in or on top of your frozen desserts. iRice.co, iRiceco.com is down here. Thank you for your episode sponsorship. Okay, so we're going to do something a little bit different with water ice today. For years and years and years, we've used water ice, the iRice water ices in class, in the batch freezer, a lot of different flavors. But at ConeCon 2025 this year, I noticed that Ed was using the iRice water ice in a soft serve machine, which I have never done before. Inquisitive I was. Maybe put a So that's what we're going to do this video. Let's try and run it up the flagpole, see if it works. iRice is very easy to use from the sorbet side of things. You've got your sorbet base here, and we're just going to do a smaller batch. So we're going to do 1 quart of the sorbet base. It's quite gelatinous. One quart of our mango, which I'll tell you in class, most people love running the mango. Two and a half parts water. Quick whisk. Bob's your uncle, ready to go on the soft serve machine. Oh, we're going? Welcome back. We're over here now at the soft serve machine. Using the tailor today, we've sanitized it. We're going to take our iRice water ice. We'll put it in on this side. Look at that. Liquid gold. We're going to take our Frostline product, not the episode sponsor, but a great company regardless. Frostline from Kent Precision Foods. Easy to mix, powdered product. Pairs very well with the mango water ice. And then we are going to just wait for that product to come and flush the sanitizer out. Then we're going to press freeze and be ready to go. Now, let me tell you, in 21 years plus of teaching people in the ice cream industry, look, there's not a lot I haven't done. This is something I've never done, is run this product in a soft serve machine. So it's been running here for about 10 minutes. Did a bit of a test arrestor, looks really good. So let's go in nice and close. This is your first view of our iRice mango water ice in a soft serve machine. Have a look at that. People think because a soft serve machine's a pretty standard machine in most establishments, that it's a pretty easy machine to operate and it's engineering. What happens inside this freezing cylinder is probably the most engineered process than a batch freezer or a custom machine. You've got consistency, you've got temperature that's always fluctuating, you've got a dasher in there that's churning product within a sealed cylinder. It's a lot going on, so you may find that your soft serve machine, depending on whether you're putting a heavier fat product in or a no fat product, may need to be tweaked a little bit. Maybe there's an expansion valve that allows that refrigeration to go through that needs to be tweaked to this product. Let's do a combo or a twist. So this is the Frostline product swirled with the mango water ice. I don't know why I'm so excited, I just am. Tastes great, non-dairy product, easy to make, inexpensive to run. Their link is down below. Yeah, there you go, water ice through a soft serve machine. I'm interested whether you put your water ice in the soft serve machine. Have you done it before? Is this new to you like it is to me? Hope I'm not showing my ignorance in different types of the products. Look, I'm just a man in the ice cream industry trying to make a living. Questions, comments, concerns down there. Now where are we at? This is a This is the subscribe to Scoop School. This is a good video. And underneath the arm is always a heading to Scoop School. Thanks for tuning in, folks. See you in the next video.